Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download designs into your Design Space app for Cricut on your iPad. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I want to do is head on over to designbundles.net and download my purchase file. So I've got this super cute chicken lady, and I'm going to see where it says download in green. We're going to hit that. We're going to double click download just like you would on your computer. And then as you can see up there at the very top, you're going to see the download. You can see the how far along it is. You're going to double click on it. These are zip files. Once you click on it, it's going to open up, and then you can click on that file to see what it looks like. So it's just like this. Now this is a PNG, so this would be a print and cut file. All you need to do is come down here to uploads, and then we are going to browse files, click on our design, and bring it in. So just like this, we're going to skip this step because it's a print and cut. We're just going to hit next, and we're going to hit next again. And now we're going to go ahead and type in the name. So I'm going to go ahead and type in chicken here, and then you want to click the one on the right that is a print and cut. Now, if you're wanting it to be a cut file, then you can go ahead and click the cut file on the left, but we're going to click the one on the right, like I said. So here it is. We're just going to insert it as normal, and just like that, you've brought your file in using the app with Cricut Design Space. Since this is a print and cut, I need to bring it down to at least 7 high. So I'm going to go ahead and change the height here to 7 inches. And that way now I can show you what it would look like if we did a print and cut. So I'm going to go ahead and hit make. And as you guys can see, it's going to work just like normal. So it's super easy to bring these PNGs in. So now let's go ahead and try this out with an SVG. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to upload, browse files, and then I'm going to go back to my downloads, and I'm going to find the file that I need. So right here it says farmhouse. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on the SVG file, and then I'm just going to figure out which one of these I want. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here. And now you're going to notice with the SVG, it's going to pop up right away to go ahead and name it. So it's going to come in just a little bit different compared to a PNG file. So I'm going to go ahead and name this one welcome and hit done. And then we're going to go ahead and save it. So just like that. Now, once again, it's in my folder here. I can click on it, and there you have it. So it is super, super easy to bring over these PNGs and SVG files. I'm going to go ahead and show you here. You can even contour these. You know, if it's a layer, you're going to be able to change the colors and all those things. This one is connected. So maybe you want to go into your contour and change some of these pieces and get rid of some. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this piece here. Now, the one thing I want to show you guys a trick when using your iPad, because it's so much easier to do contour and stuff with your iPad. I'm really loving my iPad when it comes to using my Cricut. So what you're going to do is just kind of pinch into zoom. The closer you are, it's going to be easier to click on these. You're not going to have as much issues the closer you get to the design and just clicking on it. So just like so. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these one by one. And as you can see, it is super duper easy. Now that I've contoured everything I don't want, I'm going to go ahead and send it over to the mat. It's going to tell me it's bigger, so it's going to use my bigger mat. And just like that. So it's really easy to use these files with your iPad as well as your phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.